Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Let's Make an Open World RPG, DawnHaven. I forgot what episode we are on. In this episode, we are gonna kind of continue with the pickpocketing system. So this will be part 4, I think, but we're not gonna spend that long in the pickpocketing thing. And the reason why I'm leaving such big gaps between videos is it's either that or make one video a day. So because I'm doing like 3 videos a week, and then I just like do it all at once and then take a break, or I could do one video spread out through actually 3 videos spread out through the whole week. Or because right now I'm still feeling kind of lazy in doing videos and actually doing anything right now. Like, I started a whole bunch of TV series and a whole bunch of games, and I've been feeling lazy to finish them for some reason. Like, I start off and then I just like stop, and I'm too lazy to like start again. But it's a phase that I'm gonna eventually pass. Let me go ahead and teleport myself to Hello Tips. But yeah, I'm gonna try to have more videos for you guys more frequently than I am right now. So the pickpocketing system is basically 100% finished. The only thing that's left for me to do is actually make it so that you don't like just spam the pickpocketing, because as the way we have it set up right now, there's no possible way for you to like, there's no way to limit how many times you can pickpocket one person. But we are going to be doing that in this episode. So far this is what we have. When we press Control and enter sneak mode, a switch is turned on called sneak mode, and if that sneak mode is turned on, then every NPC also has every NPC then gets the option to pickpocket. And then later on I might add like a backstabbing thing, or like you could silently kill someone, but that's just in the future. The sneak in button is the same as the walk through wall button, but it's not going to be like that in the main game, because in the main game you won't get the option to walk through stuff, but because this is in the debug mode, so I can walk through stuff with it. So anyways, let's go ahead and test this out. So when I enter sneak mode, I get 2 options: talk and pickpocket. When I pick pickpocketing, pickpocket this person, I'm gonna pick no, because I will fail. And as you may notice, you saw the testing too. That's the way that that's something that I used to test if what happens after a comment event runs. Does it still continue running the rest of the event in the specific events? Because I didn't know it worked like that. I just figured that out. So if you have a regular event that calls a common event, after that common event is over, the regular event keeps on running. So that's gonna save us a ton of time when it comes to making a way to like limit how many times you can pickpocket a certain person, because then I could just turn on the self switch and then have that self switch turned off after a period of time has passed. Which is where we run into another problem, because we also have to be able to kill every NPC in the game. So in order to do that, we are going to need like 2 of the self switches, which only leaves us to the last self switch that we have to see. If we have one more self switch, but we don't, so we have to I know what to do, but it's not gonna work. Or is it? I don't know. I'll figure something out. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and boost my pickpocketing. I'll just make it 500, 700. Oops, forgot 700. Okay. Is there anything else that I need to turn up? Okay, anyways. So, pickpocketing is at 700, testing, and now enter sneak mode. Pickpocket, are you sure you want to pickpocket? Yeah, sure. You failed your attempt at pickpocketing. Bounty 100 gold. Testing 2. Pickpocket? Yes. There's nothing in this person's pocket. Okay. Pickpocket? Yes. It's empty. Okay. Pickpocket? Yes. Yes. So anyways, it's working. The only reason why we haven't actually gotten an item is because we actually haven't. It's because we have few items that actually that actually can be spawned. So yeah, but we do have this guy over here to test out what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna make that 4 to any, and we are just gonna go up there, continue. Oh, this is gonna actually might not. Oh yeah, it is. F9 teleport. So it's empty, it's empty, it's empty, and we just got something. So it's basically gonna be this, but there's gonna be more chances of us actually getting something one side. Add all those note tags to them, which I'm gonna be doing off screen because it's gonna be really a waste of a video if I did them on screen. So this is our catalyst for our pickpocketing system, and then all we basically do is, since actually let me see which self switches that the ABS uses that we're using. I believe it's okay. It uses B for sensor, but I don't really use that B. Actually, I do use that B, and then it uses C for when you get knocked down. Before enemy knockdown cell switches to display knockdown grip. But you know what? I don't even use that, so I'm gonna take out that C because I don't use that C. But I use D. So right now I have access to A, C, and D. And I need D to D is gonna be when the NPC itself is dead. And then I could just use C. Let's hope we don't get any errors for this one because that would suck. Because then we could just use C to make it so to make it okay. Let me kill this goat. Okay. So we could just use C now to make it so there's actually something I want to use for the timer. If I can remember what script it is. I haven't looked through my scripts yet. So extended timer, is it this one? This script allows you the timer to switch as I think it is this one. For example, game timer set blah. Okay. Set switch 24 off after 8 minutes. Set event 3 off map 5 self switch A. Okay, this is kind of what we want right here, this one. But I believe this one is even easier to use. Okay, set 2 event 2 on map 1 will respawn in 20 seconds. This event called blah. You know what? Let's use the standard timer one. Okay, so it's 2 set event 3 cells on map 5. So event 3 map 5, and then this one is how many minutes? Okay, I got it. And I'm gonna copy paste this, take out sneak mode, cell switch C on, and we're just gonna delete this. Okay, says show test. Hello, can't pick my pockets. The reason why I haven't done, and I'm gonna add more to this, is just I need to get rid of this. I need to get rid of this thing right now that I have. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert script. Oh, I didn't copy it. This shot copy. Okay, let's see. You just gotta copy this. Press OK. Go back to here. And what we just have to do now is paste this in here. So this is how many minutes? Let's make this 1 minute because we don't want to. This is map ID, I believe, and this is, so map ID would be 2, and event ID would be 32, and then set switch C. But does that turn it off, or do I have to write false? Okay, then all we have to do is set this to false to false. And let's see if that works out. And then set switch C, and then all we have to do is conditional branch switch if sneak mode is on. So if sneak mode is on, then I still want to have the same options, which is talk/pickpocket. But this time we just say pockets empty, empty. Okay. Hello. And then once we test this, okay, let's go ahead and test this. And for some reason, I keep on forgetting to save once I get back into DawnHaven. Load. F9, teleport, DawnHaven. I don't care where I teleport to. Save, okay. So now let's test this out. Testing. Go into sneaking mode, pickpocket this person's pocket. You have failed your attempt to pick this person's pocket. The guard have been alerted. Oh, dang it. So there's one flaw in the system that we have right now is it doesn't matter if you succeed or do not, because either way, you could no longer pick the pocket. Actually, you can't. Okay. Is it only if you fail? Pick this person's pocket, yes. Actually, F9, let's actually variable. Give us better odds at picking the pocket. Pickpocket. Turn this all the way up to 990. Okay. Testing. Pickpocket. Yes. Starting this pockets. Pickpocket. Yes, you have failed. Okay. Oh, I am so crazy right now. I actually forgot to you know, turn this on, the cell switch C. So control switch, cell switch, control cell switch C, turn that on, apply, okay. And that was one big flaw, is if you succeed in pickpocketing, the cell switch is turned on, but if you fail, the cell switch is still turned on. So I know exactly how to fix this. So let's see. So when you pickpocket, and then when you pickpocket, insert, I'm gonna do a conditional branch, and that conditional branch is gonna just check if we failed or not. So if hollow tips guard chase, but actually, yeah. So if hollow tips guard chase is on, then this person has caught you, cannot pick pop. I don't even care what it says. It doesn't really matter. Because again, this is just a template. If depending on how this NPC works out, is going to be based on how our other NPCs work out. But what they have to say, what this NPC has to say right now, it doesn't even matter. So this is what happens. Hello, can't pick my pocket. Why are you saying that? Nothing is happening. Okay, I'm just gonna cut that out. So if sneak mode is on, and then okay, else is hello, can't pick my pocket. Okay, sneak mode is on when you talk, he says hello. And then when you sneak and you pickpocket, this person has caught you, which is here. And then I have to take this out and put this on else. Okay, so now we are in business. We are in business. And I'm pretty sure I didn't save the variables when I did it. Alright, variables, just last time we were doing this because I'm pretty sure everything will work as I planned. So I'm just gonna make this 1,000. I don't even care. And I'm gonna save. Okay, so testing. Let's pick your pocket. Yes, and there was nothing in this person's pocket. Okay, pick the pocket again. Pockets are empty. Okay, that shouldn't be happening. Pick pockets. Pockets are empty. Pickpocket. Pockets are empty. But it's not giving me a test in 2. Pockets are empty. It's just telling me pockets are empty, which, so it's getting here and it's not saying all of this. So conditional branch. Oh, pockets are empty. Okay. So it did work, but it has to be refined a little bit more. So I'm not gonna say pockets are empty. I'm gonna say, actually, yeah, it doesn't really matter because the last time I picked the pocket and there was nothing there. Pockets are empty. So yeah, it worked 100%. Now the only thing we have to test out now is if it's actually gonna turn off the cell switch C after a minute has passed. For that, I'm actually just gonna pause the video and then get back to you guys after that 1 minute has passed. So pausing, and we are back, and it worked like a charm. After a minute has passed, it went back to the default. Now I can again pick this person's pocket, and of course I'm not gonna make it 1 minute in the actual game. It's gonna be more like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour maybe. I don't really know as for right now, but it's gonna be a pretty long time. In the next episode, we're gonna move on to another skill, which again is gonna be kind of the same template as this skill. This is it for this episode. There is other ways to make easier pickpocketing systems that doesn't require skills. Like you could make a random variable, and then when you go up to someone, it's gonna make a random number between 1 and 100, and if that number equals a number, then you pick the person's pocket. But then if it doesn't equal to a certain number, then you fail. But if you want to incorporate skills into it like this one, that's another easier way to do it. And that is basically you need two variables. So you make actually, let me see. Yeah, this video is gonna be tunnel. So you need two variables. One is gonna be success rate, and one is gonna be your skill level. So once this opens, I will. Okay. I don't need this. So you need two variables. One is gonna be the level of the person's pocket you're picking, and one's going to be level of your skill. So let's say the person's pocket level equals 50, and let's say your skill level equals 60. You can make it so if level of the person's pocket is less than level of your skill, then this isn't really valid code. You picked the pocket. Else you failed. This can be transitioned into RPG Maker VS Ace. Maybe not like this. I don't even know if this will work. Let's see. Actually, I don't have anything to make it work. So puts. Let me put this here. Let me put this here. Let me take out this comment. Okay, yeah, see. So yeah, you could make something simple like this. So you could just like make random blocks all over the place, and then give them random levels, and then every lock you pick, you gain a level or something like that. So yeah, there are way easier ways of making a lock picking skill. I just wanted to make mine complex and unique because I don't think anyone else thought about making a lock picking skill a pickpocketing skill like this, which is more complicated than it needs to be. Let me tell you that. It is way more complicated than it needs to be. So yeah, this is how I'm doing it for my game. There's other ways to do it, and the first way I said, the first way that you could do it is basically pick a random number between 1 and let's say 3, and then if x equals random, x being the whatever, if x equals to 1. Actually, let me do this. When x equals to 1, then you pick the pocket, and then else whatever. This is in real code. You didn't pick the pocket. Basically like that. So again, that's easier ways to do it. You don't have to do it the way I did it. If you want me to make a video tutorial on how to do it those easier ways, make sure to leave me a comment down below. I know this video ran a little bit longer than the other videos, but I'm just showing you there's other ways to do it, and not just the way I'm doing it, because the way I'm doing it, it is kind of complicatedly, it's too complicated. It's actually overly complicated. Didn't need to be this complicated. So I'm just making sure you guys know that's easier way to do it. If you need me to make videos on those, please leave me a comment down below. Make sure to like this video if you liked it. Make sure to dislike this video if you disliked it, and subscribe to me for more videos like this on RPG Maker VS Ace, and also make sure to leave me a comment down below, send me a message, or whatever you want to do, and that will help you the best I can. Peace.